If Greek ever weighs 200 pounds or less, I'll get a fucking GGX tattoo on my ass.
Wait a second. Wait.
Okay, maybe 10 subs?
10 subs.
Okay, maybe like no, it didn't. Bouncing don't count. 7. No, you can't. Listen, try 5.
I can make it bounce out of the and go
Okay.
Real quick, in the right drawer. No, in the right drawer.
Wait, you put water in?
No, that purple. The purple. No, the cloth.
Okay, this is the older GoPro though. This isn't the better
In the
one.
middle.
Yo, whoever's signing up, thank you guys for signing up.
Can
We're
you
so
open it?
close.
Here is an imager link, Nick.
Can I see what? Were those panties?
Maya's watching! Pookie's watching! The better Pookie!
Okay. Oh. 谢谢。好气测。
Alright, that's the end of the stream. Matt, you wanna go home? So I can host you? Matt, your key's here. His keys are in. His keys. His keys. I offered to host him, he ran without. You can't even leave. You going live? He's just running down the road.
You're such a great cameraman.
Here we have the wild Greckler in his natural habitat. Oh, we just fought him? He's doing a rare Greek pea right now, looking for the ominous Pokemon.
Bro,
Welcome to Camp GGS, Cal. Here, we only accept the bravest and the best of men. Take control of your fears. Do you like dieting? Me neither. What's your weight loss progress like, soldier? Huh? Pathetic. Listen, you'll never look as good as me. And you'll never get Pokemon either, you simp. But you will look better. And that's a guarantee, soldier. You just can't. Subscribe now.
Beef, surrounded by cheese and 2 little muffins.
Here's the thing, at least streaming wise, I'm not taking years off my life working with things like asbestos, okay? My father, hold up, no, fuck this shit. My father worked construction, owned his own drywall company. He died because of it. He died of lung cancer because of the drywall.
Hopefully he's on the way back too.
Sure, he smoked, but he died a lot faster because of that drywall. Fuck you.
Navy scream gets, dude, that is a tribal. Wait, what does it say?
We get world first. I will go out and actively fight cops.
Oh, okay. All right. I did not know that someone did that. Okay.
What app do I need to download? Turn it on. Oh yeah. How do I...
parried that. Why was I thinking? No. You almost got full Eric and Killman. Almost.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hold. You died.
Continues to walk closer and closer, but Flamey is his kryptonite again. Oh!
No! He takes 3! He can't just do that! Are you kidding me? For 50...
Huh.
Holy shiznit! Oh my gosh! Oh, fudge! Holy frick! I felt that in my chest! Fudge a biscuit! Oh, wow! Oh, dag nab, guys! That was cool!
あ、ないよ。愛知ないのに岐阜あるのやばない？広島とか言って、もしさ、原爆出てきたら許さないけどね。ああ、やってもうてます。やってもうてます、これ。や
Dude, fuck it. Fuck the plebs, man. They're so annoying. When I say let's go, you say soda. Let's go, soda. Let's go, soda. When I say let's go, you say soda. Let's go, soda. Let's go, soda. Yeah. Do the thing. Do the thing. Dude, fuck old chants, man. I love this new one. Dude, I love new chants, man. New chants. I love new chants, man. New chants. You still going to TwitchCon?
You're tagging the back.
You got a TwitchCon, dude?
Your shirt's inside out, dude.